everybody, it's Kelly, and I am back with a 2-page layout today. So I have these 4 pictures of my grandkids, and they were taken at a violin concert that my oldest grandson was doing, but they took pictures of them on the farm that it was at, of all 4 of them, which is awesome. And I'm actually going to put these in age. Actually, it's not. I was thinking I put them in an age range. I did not. Almost. I could flip them pretty easily now that I think about it and look at it. I should really do that. Although I think I did it because number 4, who's second from the right, would have been looking in the wrong direction. That's why I did it like that. So I think I'll leave it. All right. So I am starting out with this heart paper from Bella Boulevard, the Bella Besties Hearts in Ombre and Ice. And I'm going to attach that to the stripe paper, which is from Bella Boulevard Tiny Tots 2.0. And it's the My Number 1 paper. It's the one with the trophy on the back. So I'm just going to add these 4 photos in. Okay. I did get a little crease in the paper there on the right side, so I'm hoping I'll be able to cover that up as I'm looking at this. So M number 4's picture is also a little bit different because there's no sky in the background, but it's a great picture of him. So I just like this kind of record of how they're growing. All right, so I am going to take this Bella Boulevard washi tape and pickle juice and put that on the layout. And just use it to divide the line between the 2 papers there. I often do that with some sort of border strip or washi tape. And I decided that I didn't like the green, that it was too much green. So I went back and took that off, kind of put it to the side because I have big strips there. And I'm going to use this navy dot washi tape, which is also from Bella Boulevard. Getting down pretty soon, there's not going to be none of that left. There's not going to be any of that left. Goodness, English, Kelly. I will be sad when this goes. I've gone through 2 rolls of this actually because I love this so much. I'll have to start looking for navy washi tape. And I don't really care if it's thick or thin. I'm thinking about it. So what I'm doing now is I am taking these tags from Bella Boulevard, Oh My Stars, the gift tags, and I'm going to try to do something on that top right there. So I found that star, the diagonal stripe, and then the pink one. And I'm just pulling out colors from the bottom. And then I found that it's actually a paper clip, but it's a plastic paper clip that says play. That's from the Bella Boulevard Oh My Stars colorful pack, which is a couple of years old. And then I love that little Love You paper clip there. So I'm just adding in, we're just collaging here. Just, you know, fun collaging elements here. And then I want something on the left side of the layout because otherwise that's going to look kind of weird if there's nothing on the left side. So I did grab that little doodle bug heart piece, and I don't remember what collection that's from. Kind of looking at I got some new LE Studio phrases in. Then I'm thinking that I want to do a multicolored alphabet title here, but there's a lot of space there, so I don't want to just use that little Paige Evans alpha. So I'm kind of playing with colors. I found some pink alphas, and then I found this orange one, and I kind of like that. There is a little bit of orange on the right with that star paper clip there. That is a paper clip. So the star, orange star, the Love You, and the play are from that colorful set. So I'm going to use these to spell out the word for. And hopefully that won't be too bad. So that is from Simple Stories. It's the Color Vibe Foam Alpha in orange, obviously. And then I'm going to use these letters right here to spell out the fabulous. And I'm having to play around a little bit to make sure, I'll have to play around a little bit to make sure that they're not like all sort of, you know, to make sure there's different colors. I guess that multicolored alphabet is Pink Fresh Studio, Let's Stay Home, the Mini Puffy Alpha stickers from that collection. I loved that collection. I think I bought it 2 or 3 times. I did an album about the COVID pandemic from like March until sometime in June that year, I think, just about different things, like the first time I wore a mask, or the first time I went to a store and there was no toilet paper, or, you know, I was off work for a while. So I used that collection a lot, but I loved the colors in that collection. Even if you didn't use it for those kinds of layouts, it was a fantastic collection. So playing around just a little bit here, and now I want to add the word the. As I'm looking at this, by the way, and working with that title, I'm not really loving that doodle bug piece there. So I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to do with that. But first, I'm going to go in and get these pieces glued on. And I'm kind of starting from the bottom and working up. Not completely, but close, something close to that. This is the only thing I didn't glue down, just because there were too many things laying on top of it. So just a little collage of things. I'm not going to put any twine in these tags. So I toyed with it, but there's so much going on in each of the clusters, I decided not to. Now, I have this scallop circle that says Buddies. It's from Bella Boulevard. It's from a sticker sheet, which is from the Tiny Tots 2.0 collection. It's the Doohickey sticker sheet. And I'm kind of going through, again, that tag, which comes from the Oh My Stars gift tags. And then I'm going through that other envelope of the other pieces, and I find a paper clip, that paper clip there, that says Shoot for the Stars. So I'm kind of echoing elements across the 2 sides of the layout here. All right. And then, you know, just playing with colors that are in that stripe to make it multicolored. I feel much better about that now and then I've got a little diagonal going across. I guess I could have put something over the top of the title, but that lands almost over the top of the other cluster on the bottom left. So I don't know that would have looked like 3 things. I've just got a diagonal there. Your eye goes across from one to the other. I'm going to add some hearts in here. So that yellow heart is from the Bella Boulevard Puffy Heart stickers. It's the Bell Pepper assortment. The turquoise and I cannot talk tonight. Turquoise and green hearts come from Ellie Studio. Just again adding in some colors. And then last but least here, or what is that pink heart, came from the Bella Boulevard heart stickers in the Punch Mix. All right, you guys, so adding that one in, and I am done. Here's the still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you're all well, and I'll be back with another layout again soon. Bye, everybody.